morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX weekly outlook for Monday, June 15th. The euro declined 0.37% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1261. The dollar ended the week lower against the other major currencies on Friday as uncertainty over whether the Federal Reserve will offer fresh indications on the timing of interest rate hikes at its upcoming policy meeting weighed. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1105 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0940. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1410 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1550. The British pound declined 0.09% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5558. The pound slipped lower against the US dollar on Friday as demand for the greenback remained supported by the previous session's upbeat US retail sales report and ahead of an additional report on US consumer sentiment due later in the day. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5318 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5077. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5701 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5843. The US dollar rose 0.01% against the US dollar and closed at 123.42. The Japanese yen held stronger in early Asia on Monday, with investors ready for the back and forth in Greek debt talks nearing an endgame. The pair is expected to find support at 121.99 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 120.58. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 125.25 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 127.10. The Australian dollar declined 123.42 against the US dollar and closed at 0.7731. The greenback fell against major currencies last week, pushing the Australian dollar-US dollar pair higher by 1.5%. Analysts at BBH believe that the Reserve Bank of Australia minutes due for release on Tuesday will be dovish compared to the Fed that is still planning on moving in the opposite direction. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7622 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7512. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7821 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7910. Gold rose 0.14% against the US dollar at 1179.20. Gold prices gained in early Asia on Monday, with Greece a prime focus as what appeared to be last-ditch talks to avoid missed payments are set to resume. The pair is expected to find support at 1167.86 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1156.53. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1191.16 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1203.13. For an insightful analysis on last week's market trends, please feel free to visit our website www.CommexFX.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.